In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the performance of your asset groups in Performance Max campaigns in Google Ads. It's actually very simple to do, just follow along closely to ensure you get it correct. So, first of all, we need to go here to google.com and make sure we're on the ad side. And we need to basically go ahead and sign in to our Google Ads account. Once you've done that, you can press Start Now and make sure you select the correct ad account. So, once we've gone ahead and done that, we can go over to the side here where it says Campaigns. And we go to Campaigns here and click on Campaigns. So at this point, what we can do is we can go ahead and find our PMax campaign. I'm going to click on this one here. So inside of it, we then want to go to the overview section and just get an overview of the campaign itself. What we can do from here is we can go down to where it says assets and we can click on the assets here. So from here, we're going to see all of the different kinds of assets. You can go onto the table view and you can select which one you prefer. And then we can go over here to where it says columns. Inside of columns, we can set up all of the columns we want. So we can do things like conversions. So we can see the things like the cost per conversion, the clicks. We can see all of this data here. So what I'd recommend doing is going ahead, adding clicks, cost, impressions, CTR. You can remove interactions. It depends what you have for your account, what you're selling. These are the ones you can have. You can apply this and then we can go ahead and see which ones are doing well. So we can see some of these have a 30% click-through rate. We can see the CPC. We can see the cost and all that kind of stuff. But you can see it's really as simple as that to go ahead and view the performance of specific assets in Google Ads. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.